So in HANA, in HANA, we have a license actually. Why? Because each and every software in SAP is not free for customers here. There is a, we have to purchase the license from SAP. We have to purchase the license from SAP here. So then only ANA systems will run, ANA systems will run, ANA SIDs will run. So here in the HANA also here, it's a license based software here. So license based software here. So whenever we install the HANA database, by default, there is a temporary license will be installed. Temporary license will be installed here. So there are the two types of licenses in HANA database here. There are the two types of licenses. So one is the temp license, temporary license, right? So the second one is the permanent license here, permanent license here. So temp license means, temporary license means here, whenever you do the HANA installation, by default, you will get the 90 days license. 90 days license, you will get temporary license here. So 90 days license, you can use the database without any interruption. Within this 90 days, if you are planning for the business use case, then you need to go with the permanent license. You need to go with the permanent license here, right? So temporary license is only valid, so 90 days only. The permanent license is for the, so there is a predefined expiration date. There is a predefined expiration date is mentioned in that license. Then you can use it up to the HANA license here. So it's unlimited, or you can use it here. Permanent license keys are valid only till predefined expiration date here. So the license keys, normally HANA license is based upon the memory. How much memory you want to consume, then you have to purchase the license for the, so that much of, so license, that much of like GBs of license we need to purchase. That is called the quantity. That much of quantity of license we need to purchase it. Why? Because HANA memory is, HANA license is based upon the main memory. Main memory means RAM memory. Suppose you have the RAM size is 1 terabyte. So you want to use the 900 GB only, then you need to purchase the license for 900 GB only. So why? Because HANA license is based upon the RAM memory. How much memory is coming to the database level? So that much of licenses we have to purchase from, we have to purchase from the, so SAP here. So the license keys are amount of memory, right? So they can be installed from the, maybe we can download from the service marketplace, then we can install it. We can download same SAP licenses, same HANA license also, we can download from the license keys tab. We can download it, we can install it here. So for once the once the permanent license is expired, in case of permanent license also expired. Why? Because there is a predefined expiration date. Suppose you took the license for the 2 years only. 2 years only. So then in this case, what will happen? You took the license for 2 years only. In case of after 2 years, license is expired. You have not checked. Then again, the temp license will be installed. That is 28 days only. Again, 28 days only here. Again, 90 days you won't get here. So once the permanent license is installed, that is also expired, then temp license will be installed. That is 28 days only. Within this 28 days, again you need to get the request from SAP. You have to install the permanent license key again, right? So in the permanent license also, there are the two types actually. In the permanent license also, you have the two types here. One is the enforced. One is the enforced. The second one is the unenforced. Unenforced here. Enforced and unenforced here. Enforced means it's a limit one. It's a limited license. Limited license means based upon the usage based upon the usage. So based upon the usage or based upon the consumption, we have to purchase the license. If the consumption is over, then your HANA system get locked. If the license consumption is over, then HANA system will be locked here. So this is the unenforced means unlimited. So if the license consumption is over also, it won't get locked, is over, then HANA won't be locked here. HANA won't be locked here. That is the difference here. Suppose example here. So this is the your HANA database, right? This is the your operating system. On top of operating system, you have installed the RAM slot. Okay, this is the RAM slot, 1 terabyte RAM slot here. Okay, 1 TB RAM slot. This is the 1 terabyte RAM size. Here you have installed the HANA database. Okay, you have installed the HANA database, but you set the threshold like you took the license limit is, you took the license only 900 GB only. 1 terabyte, you have not taken the 1 terabyte here. The license limit is 1 terabyte only here. The license limit is 1 terabyte only. You have the 100 GB is free, right? You have the 100 GB is free. 100 GB is only. You have only 900 GB. You took the license limit here. The limit is 900 GB limit here. 900 GB. Your license you took only 900 GB only. You took the license here. Okay, 900 GB license only you took here. So day one itself, it won't occupy the 900 GB, right? Then what it will do, it will slowly, when the database is coming, data will store into the RAM memory, some amount of GBs, KBs, MBs, it will go to the GBs wise, slowly, it will increase it on particular year or particular day. Then when it is reached to the 900 GB, then your HANA will be locked. Why? Because HANA will be locked here. Why? Because if you take the enforced, your HANA system will be locked. Why? Because the license limit is 900 GB only. The license limit is 900 GB only. So HANA system will get locked. Suppose if you take the license of the unenforced, what will happen? Then it won't get locked. It will start using the remaining memory. It will start using the remaining RAM memory. It will start using the remaining RAM memory. So this is the unenforced. This is the enforced. This is the unenforced here. Same like example, our mobile phone recharges, prepaid and postpaid. Prepaid recharge, if you take the 50 rupees recharge, you will get the 30 rupees balance. Then you can use it. Right? Until you complete the 30 rupees, you can use it. Anytime it will be disconnected. Once the 30 rupees is completed, 30 rupees balance is completed. Right? Top up. Unenforced means unlimited. Unlimited means it's a kind of postpaid. So postpaid means, so monthly bill. End of the month, we have to pay the bill. How much you want to use it, you can use it. There is no limitations here. That is called the unlimited year. Okay. So these are the types of licenses in the HANA database. Okay. Got it? Why? Because HANA license is based upon the main memory here. So here in the HANA Studio, we can apply the license here. So right click on the systemdb or tenantdb, go to the properties here, go to the license tab here. Here we can apply the license here. Temporary license is installed, which is 90 days, January, February, March 1st, right? So 90 days here. So this is the hardware key. Based upon the hardware key, normally SAP also based upon the hardware key, we have to generate the license. Same way, we can just click on the install the license, then you will get the license key. Just click on the install button, then license will be installed here. This is the way we have to apply the license here. By default, you will get the temporary license, which is 90 days valid here, right? 90 days valid, you will get it out from here, right? So that is the one thing, the licensing part. Okay. Any questions?
It will be there for the tenant also.
It will be
Or so,
automatically, it will take the precedence over from the system database. So automatically it will be applied.
okay, automatically it will be applied tenant also, right?
Tenant also.
Okay.
So you no need to dedicate specially apply the, so here tenant database, it will be applied. It will applied to the, so tenant also here. It will be applied to the tenant also here. It will be applied for the tenant also here. Okay, it's a small concept. So there is a one more small concept in the HANA database here, right? Once the licensing is over, let me explain about the, so delta merge concept here. Delta merge. Maybe I will split the topics so that it will be easy for you guys.